There we go. Yep, okay. We're recording. This is Sarah drinking Fireball with her miracle tablets.
This hurts my eyes. I can't see her.
Sorry.
My eyes hurt.
That didn't do anything.
Okay.
That didn't do anything. I took that was literally like a drop.
The pills, they do nothing.
For that.
Well.
But, this hot sauce?
Don't do that one. Do the other one first.
Okay. So what am I supposed to do?
This is Char Man. I'll just put on your finger, like very well.
Oh.
Like put your finger over
Char Man hot sauce.
Yeah, this is Char Man. It's dangerous.
Okay.
What do you think?
It stings a little.
This is
I put so little of it on my tongue though.
Well, this
and
is.
As I'm talking, it's spreading. That's fun.
Probably don't need any more then.
I smell it.
Yeah.
Is it hurting?
My throat. I shouldn't have swallowed.
Oh, that's what she. Sorry.
Oh, good job stopping yourself.
Right.
At the last second. So, not gonna try that one.
Yeah, I think it's
We're gonna skip the habanero hot sauce.
Yeah. We're going to
I have this on my finger still.
You want to grab a paper towel?
Oh.
There's a Clio. Yeah. Okay.
Paper towel? Okay.
I mean,
they're on
I
the
don't
counter.
know. I have to try it like without this thing too because
No, you
I
don't.
don't know how, but I don't know the comparison. I don't know how I would normally have reacted to that, or if it's the same.
Well, I can tell you that I think it's hot.
I don't know what your threshold is. Like I know that you like hot stuff, but I don't understand the extent of that. Thank you, because I don't do that stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the sour candies. Hazardous. Is this like a
This is
warhead?
comparable to warheads.
It's like same,
Yeah.
Same level? Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Well, you taste
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
You taste it?
It's a little bit sour.
It's a fairly sour candy,
Yeah, it's really sour.
but it's also is it good?
It is really sweet.
Huh?
Oh.
But I still taste the sourness.
Wow.
I don't know how it's supposed to taste, again.
Well, we can try it later. I have a whole barrel full here.
I'll try it without later.
Did it stop? Okay, no. It just froze. And you know what? Just in case.
Milk?
I don't have milk.
Okay, that's fine.
But you know what? I'm gonna bring the chocolates over. Does chocolate helps too?
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Tabasco sauce.
Well, there's milk in the chocolate, and it's the
That's true, it's a tiny bit.
yeah.
So, I'm gonna put, like, just, I don't know, tiny bit.
Yeah, you don't need a whole lot.
Like, that?
Maybe a little more. Just a little bit. That's probably good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, putting that much on here.
We're feeling it out.
Burns. Yeah, no.
This one's more vinegary than
That's it? Whew. I don't want to do anymore. No. That one.
Okay. You alright? You like chocolate?
That was so bad. This isn't working.
I love that face.
Thanks. Alright.
Tabasco can be pretty much the same thing as Tabasco.
Yeah, they're pretty much the same.
Then should I just skip to the sriracha?
Yeah, that one's not as bad. It's sriracha mayonnaise, so it's not as spicy as vanilla sriracha.
Wait.
You have to twist
Yeah,
the
now it
top.
is.
Yeah, that's not a liquid. It's
Ooh. Oh, crap.
it's mayonnaise.
Okay.
And mayonnaise-based material.
I got
You gotta
some on my
squeeze it.
phone.
Yeah. I don't know if you've ever used condiments before, but a good thing to
there's
do.
air on the bottom, so you shake it a little. That's what I was doing.
You do it before it's open, though, so it doesn't do that.
Okay. That's a good point.
It's on the bottom.
All right.
That's all you're gonna do. Okay.
Well,
you've had a dangerous experience
It's
so
a
far.
small amount again. I don't know if that focuses, but I'm just gonna put it on my tongue again.
Fucking delicious.
My tongue might just be numb now.
Gotta go for it.
Okay, I'm scared to, like, tasting it is one thing, but swallowing...
Just hurry before I reach...
This one's not bad when you're swallowing it. The
before I reach-
other ones are.
I am trying.
Before I reach the video size limit.
I think this one's okay.
Oh.
This is Diablo sauce from Taco Bell. It's the hottest sauce that they have.
So what's the difference between this and the other ones I couldn't handle?
This one's not as strong, in my opinion.
Oh, okay. Just put it on my finger?
Yeah, just a little on your finger, and put it in your mouth.
Low-hanging fruit.
Yeah, they're the tastiest. As far as I know, anyway, because they're the only ones I can reach.
Okay, let's see.
What do you think? Doesn't... You don't taste it?
No, it
hurts?
It's burning. It's not that bad, but... Actually, yeah, that wasn't that bad.
That's good.
It's like, okay, it's the same thing as the other thing. Like, I feel the heat, but I don't feel like... It's not burning. It's just heat.
Interesting.
It's not pain. Like, normally
You'd be dying.
Normally, my brain interprets it as pain.
And that was just a pressure.
No,
on
it
your
feels
tongue?
like heat, but not... It's like you put something warm on my tongue.
Interesting.
I don't know.
Like you're drinking hot cocoa.
Like, it felt like a stinging, and then kind of like the feeling of when you burn a taste bud.
Okay.
Kind of, but not as bad, like not as painful.
Just that sensation.
Yeah, it's the sensation without the pain.
Interesting.
Which is what James was trying to explain to me, and I didn't really understand, because I thought they went hand in hand. Like, if it's heat, it's pain, right? It's pain.
That's a chip.
Absolutely.